good.
These signals are no bueno. As you can see, the creases, crease and rip, the crease, all those granules, the creases there, all those granules, crease there. So as you can see, it did a significant amount of damage. The roof is definitely not repairable.